sharing with you how I like to use dry shampoo, and the shampoo that I've chosen is called the Detox Dry Shampoo. Why you need to use a dry shampoo? So I know people who use it on days when they don't have time to shampoo their hair, so this is a great way to just like have a waterless shampoo, because you just like, you know, grab it, you know, spray it, and you're good to go. A lot of people also use it to create volume, which is something like my case, and I'll show you how I like to use it. So typically my hair are very flat, as you can see. I always struggle with like creating, you know, some volume hair. First things first, always shake the dry shampoo well, and we need to remember that the dry shampoo has to be sprayed exactly on the root. So best is to make partitions and just cover the whole scalp gradually. I'm going to be holding it at a distance of 6 inches. And guys, we need to be very particular, do not overdo the quantity, and the moment you spray it, quickly just like spread it very, you know, like gentle strokes, just massage it so that it spreads all over. Right, so I'll just cover the crown area and show you how it adds volume to my hair. So I don't know guys if you can see the difference, but already my hair are looking so much more fluffy. And typically after utilizing the dry shampoo, I don't like to brush hair. So on my crown, I just would use fingers. So I'll just brush slightly, only the length. Also it has this, I don't know, this has this amazing fragrance which I really love. I can definitely smell musk and like something really exotic. Alright guys, that's all from my side for today. I'll see you again with yet another useful video. Bye bye.